I will now have k minus 1 log 9 divided by log 9 is equal to log 7 plus log 4 all divided by log 9. Hi, let's find the value of k in this equation. Solution. We are given here 9 raised to power k divided by 12 is equal to 21. Here there is invisible 1. Let's cross multiply so that we can have 9 raised to power k multiplied by 1 is equal to 21 multiplied by 12. Alright, so we can have 9 raised to power k is equal to 21. We can still have 3 multiplied by 7. Here in 12 we can still have 3 multiplied by 4. Good. So that these 3 and these 3 can come together. We now have 9 raised to power k is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 times 4. Okay, we now have 9 raised to power k is equal to 9 multiplied by 28. Good. So divide through now. Divide through by 9. I can have 9 raised to power k is equal to, so divided by 9 divided by 9. This 9 can cancel this 9. Then here there is invisible 1 here. Recall 9 raised to power 1 is same as 9. And a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n will give us a raised to power m minus n. So this is k and this is 1 and they have the same base. We are going to subtract it. Okay? So we now have here 9 raised to power k minus this 1 here is equal to 28. This 28, let's go back to 7 times 4. Okay? Let's go back to 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. So let's leave it like this. Now take the log of both sides. That is the logarithm of both sides. So when we take the log of both sides, we have log 9 raised to power k minus 1 is equals to log bracket 7 times 4. Good. That is log 28. Alright. So we have log 9 raised to power k minus 1 equals log bracket 7 multiplied by 4. Okay. Recall these rules. Recall log m raised to power n equals n log m. We are going to apply this one here. And also log a multiplied by b is equal to log a plus log b. We are going to apply the second one to the right hand side. So we now have here k minus 1 log 9 is equal to, over here we have log 7 plus log 4. Good. So divide through by log 9. I will now have k minus 1 log 9 divided by log 9 is equal to log 7 plus log 4 all divided by log 9. So this can cancel. I'll have k minus 1 is equal to log 7 divided by log 9 plus log 4 divided by log 9. Yes, here now when you have A, assuming you have A plus B divided by C is same as A over C plus B over C. Good. That is what I have done. Alright, so now make K the subject of the formula. From here, now from change of base, if we have log A divided by log B is same as all in log A base B. Good. So let's apply it to this side and this one. So we have K minus 1 is equal to log, instead of writing log 7 divided by log 9, I can just write log 7 base 9 plus log 4 base 9. Good. Alright, so to make K the subject of the formula, I will add 1 to both sides. So K is equal to 1 plus log 7 base 9 plus log 4 base 9. So this is the value of K. So this is the value of K. That is adding 1 to both sides. Check now to know if it is true. Check. Given 9 raised to power x, given 9 raised to power K divided by 12 equals 21. But K is equal to 1 plus log 7 base 9 plus log 4 base 9. Alright, let's substitute. Substituting, I'll have 9 raised to power 1 plus log 7 base 9 plus log 4 base 9, all divided by 12 will it give us 21. Recall, A raised to power m plus n, which is in this form of this. This our A is 9. This one plus this is this m plus n. Okay? If I even put plus, let me say plus x is same as A raised to power m multiplied by A raised to power n multiplied by A raised to power x. So let's distribute this in the product form. Okay? So I will have 9 raised to power 1 multiplied by 9 raised to power log 7 base 9 multiplied by 9 raised to power log 4 base 9. Okay, everything divided by 12 will it give us 21. Note, when I have log m base b and this is also a base, this log m base b is raised to power this base. Okay, so when I have b log m base b, since they have the same base here, I can have m. Therefore, this 9, since they have the same base 9, 9, it will be 7 and 4. Okay, so I can have here 9 raised to power 1 multiplied by, here I will have 7 multiplied by 4, then divided by 12. Remember, divided by 12 will it give us 21. Okay, if you check here, 4 can go here, you have 3, 4 can go here, 1. Then 3 can go here, 1, 3 can go here, 3. So we have 3 and 7. 3 multiplied by 7, will it give us 21? Yes. So we have here, therefore, 21 is equals to 21. And this is our right hand side, whereas this is our left hand side. So we have proved that the value of K is equal to 1 plus log 7 base 9 plus log 4 base 9. Very correct. Okay, quick recap. Remember what I have done. I cross multiplied here to have 9k is equals to 3 times 7 times 3 times 4. I brought out 3 and 3 to be 9. Then divided through by this same 9. Apply division rule. Okay, I apply division rule to have 9 raised to power k minus 1. Take the logarithm of both sides and then solve for k. And we got k minus 1 as log 7 base 9 divided by log 9 plus log 4 divided by log 9. Now apply change of base and you will have k as 1 plus log 7 base 9 plus log 4 base 9. If you check, you still have the same answer. Thank you for watching.